Are you struggling to connect your company's mission with your team's actions? Creating an OKR strategy is your answer. It transforms individual objectives into a cohesive roadmap for success. Start by revisiting your mission. Know what your company does, who you serve, and your core values. A clear mission drives meaningful progress. Define a simple OKR strategy. Use the format ActionVerb plus ActionPlan. For example, grow and diversify revenue. Consider these 7 strategy types: customer strategy, finance strategy, operational efficiency, employee collaboration, compliance, market growth, and talent. Follow these steps. Review your mission statement, focus on key areas, craft your OKR statement, and identify expected benefits. Finally, empower your teams to set aligned OKRs. Follow this workflow: mission, strategy, benefits, OKRs, projects, and AMP. Tasks. Best practices encourage clarity. A complicated strategy confuses teams. Get buy-in from executives to ensure alignment. Allow teams to adapt OKRs based on their roles and check progress quarterly. How often should you review your OKR strategy? Update yearly or sooner after major changes. If team OKRs misalign, discuss adjustments. Teams can have their own OKRs as long as they support the overall strategy. To measure your strategy's effectiveness, track if teams meet their OKRs and if expected benefits are delivered. Experience the best in OKR management with target-aligned software. It simplifies setting, tracking, and aligning OKRs for all teams. Now is the time to strengthen your strategy. For more information, check out Target Align's upcoming OKR course and sign up for OKR software trial at www.targetalign.com. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.